It's because they ran out of money.
From the Washington Monument, I'm Jimmy Alexander, WTOP News. 547.
I'm Peter Greenberg, and this is today's Eye on Travel Minute.
Stupid fucking idiot. You stupid fucking idiot. Oh my god, don't go. Oh my god!
He loves it.
Oh, shit. Jesus.
What?
Fuck.
Did you just hit something?
No, the guy in front of me just frickin' floored it. Hit 3 cars.
That even happened. You saw the whole you doing? What the fuck?
So broken fibers and also static electricity, these two combine together so that all the broken fibers come close to each other. They form a fiber ball, which you know as a peeling.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, so many expenses. I need to really knock it into a crash value.
This one isn't.
Huh?
The one next to us?
Yeah, this is Mercedes, right?
No. That one is. And that one is. You literally just said, I really need to not get into an accident.
Prices fell on the news. Marketplace's Nova Sapo explained. The latest announcement from OPEC Plus essentially maintains the status quo through March. So far, that has failed to significantly even though the alliance accounts for about 40% of global oil production. The problem is that March
Fuck me! Learned about the details of the affair between Kristen and Dr. Robinson. They basically call 911.
Would you mind just checking in on that thread and seeing what's up there?
Yep,
I'll put the Slack message in chat. Thank you.
Thanks, David.
Yo, I have you on camera. I'm gonna call the police right now.
Okay, call it.
I am.
I gave the indicator. I don't know what you are doing.
I have it on Dashcam. I'm calling the police right now.
Hey, it's not a big deal.
I'm calling the police.
It's not a big deal, guys.